ça va bien.
This is okay like that?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah? Okay. So I'm going to present you the task we had to do in France and describe it. We had to design and build a first prototype. For the first steps, we had to design the prototype with SolidWorks, an engineer software. Then we had to weld the legs and feet. For the step 3, we had to assemble and weld the thorn. Then we had to build the head of the statue. And for the step 5, we had to assemble the different parts. And on the picture, you can see Quentin, who is not here today, but he made all the statue from the beginning to the end. Then we had to fix the arms on the statue. And for finish, we had to test how articulate they were. And this is not the end, because we have some comments to make. We built the statue with stainless steel, so it's rather heavy, but it's still heavy. The size is approximately 165. It should be smaller and lighter in order to transport for each high schools. The idea we had is also to add specific parts symboling the earth, a part held by the statue. It should be built after having the measurement devices sizes and knowing the layout of sensors and comments. If we have time, we will articulate the statue and we will adjust to the pupils, the height for the pupils or students. We also have the idea to add wheels on it to move it more easily because of the weight. And for finish, of course, other suggestions and criteria will be taken into account to finalize and improve the supports to be discussed and shared together. Thank you for listening. If you have any question, tell me. And now this is Sandra's turn.
Yep. Thank you very much, Loic.
Okay, so I will present to you the requirement specification for the realization of the box supporting the components necessary for her analysis. At first, we have the complete list of the components that will be fixed in the box with their dimensions in space in 3 dimensions, together with the positioning requirements and cape passages. Then, there is a complete list of the components that will be fixed on the periphery of the box, for example, screens, potentiometers, sockets, etc., with their dimensions in 3D, accompanied by the obligations of positioning and orientations, its inclinations. There are the requirements allowing a group grip to move it and a good stability when it's installed. For aesthetics, there are general shape, colors, and names of the institution participating in the project, with the logos. Anyway, we've got materials and we have to discuss the maximum permitted weight. It's finished.